The Barangay and Youth Council poll slated for December has been put off for November next year by virtue of the President's inking of RA 12332. This to assure the poll body all the time and resources it needs to prep for and guarantee a successful and historic parliamentary polls in the BARM this October. As our Kenneth Paciente dwells more on the Just Ain't Law.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has signed Republic Act No. 12232, which extends the term of elected barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan officials. Under this law, the term of elected barangay and SK officials is set at 4 years. The new law also states that no barangay official may serve for 3 consecutive terms in the same position, while SK officials may only serve for 1 term. Because of this, there will be no barangay and SK elections for now, as they have been postponed to November 2026 and will be held every 4 years thereafter. It is stipulated that the term of newly elected officials shall start every December 1 following the election. However, incumbent barangay officials who are currently serving their 3rd consecutive term can no longer run for the same position in the 2026 elections. The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is directed to issue the rules for the implementation of the new law within 90 days from its effectivity. The President had earlier assured that he would sign the law, pointing out that the midterm elections have just concluded.
Because we are facing one of the biggest elements here, kakatapos lang natin ng malaking eleksyon, midterm election. Susunod na rito yung BARM. Isasabay pa natin ngayon yung barangay. Masyado ang COMELEC actually nagsasabi hindi namin kaya dahil ang hindi naman kailangan nating tutukan yung BARM.
He also emphasized the need to focus on the first parliamentary elections in the Bangsamoro region.
If that election fails, malaking bagay, malaking failure yan dun sa peace process. Kaya't kailangan maging matagumpay ang pagganap ng halalan ng BARM. And that's why we really are focusing on that. And again, of course, the local officials are saying we just finished a local election. Magkakaroon na naman tayo ng barangay election, parang ganun din. Halos ganun din. So, with a view on the Supreme Court decision that we cannot shorten the term of the barangay officials, we are actually lengthening the term of the barangay officials. So that's not in conflict. So I think the most sensible, the most common sense solution is to postpone.
Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.